Good afternoon, teacher. Engineer, good afternoon, classmate. I'm going to realize the process Etl. In the first item is A. It is extract the information. I'm going to use the platform Mokaru for generate me 50 items of charge. Okay, in the first have ID person. In the second we have name person. In the second last person. And the 5 date person. Okay, in the ID pair, the type is row number. In the name pair, have a first name, and last pair, last name, and in date pair, I'm going to type date. Okay. The format of day is year, month, and day. Yes. I'm going to use only 500 items. Okay, I'm going to generate data. If you see in this part, generate the mock data. Okay, and the second step is transfer, is the name T. In this case, I'm going to normalize the data. For this, I'm going to save has and choose the ubication of the document. In this case, in the desktop. Type change to libro de Excel and save. Now I'm going to normalize this database. Okay, I'm going to date and text in columns. No. Yeah, okay. Text in columns delimitados. In this case, change order and yes. Now click in next. Yes. Now we have to see the data is normalized. In this case, is only 500 dates. If you can see, is 5 dates. Okay, now going to with process of load. In this process, load the information in a real database. For this, in this cell, type equal parents concatenar. In this case, type the name of the cell B1, C1, and the D1. For this, we'll say name name person last pair and date pair. Name last date pair. values. The values is in apostrophe. Okay. Type the name of the cells. We have a B2. C2. And D2. Okay. And this is the query of our date. Now in our SQL log, now create a new connection. Click and connect. For this, the SAM is open the service. In this, we have click and create database, and the name of our database is Etl2. Okay, create. Now in this apartheid is the Etl2 database. Now in our database, select create and new query. Okay, in this I'm going to create the table with the next items. The first is ID pair, in the second is name pair, in the is second is last pair, in the for is date pair. Okay, date in our SQL log, I'm going to execute query, and is one query is executed with success. And now for view the table, we have create a type select from company and this is the table we have created. And continue with process. In the Excel, type the query, in this case concatenar, insert into company, name pair, last pair, yes, last pair, okay. Okay, I'm going to Control C, and in this Control V. Oh, okay. And Control A. We have a click in play and okay. We we see it's the queries is execute with exit. For view this type select from company and click and play, and we you see in this part is charge the dates.